Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, murders are down 37% in Ireland for the year, right, or for the start of the year. In particular, right, the month January, and this is from January the 1st to the 29th. Obviously, the data is missing 2 days, but the next time we see the data, it's going to be a couple of days well into February. So tell them to say 2023 is going to be an important year for Ireland. Now, if you're the type of person who can't bother the whole heap of thinking and everything there, whole heap of analysis, I'll give you the easy answer as to why murders are down 37%. It's because of FIFA. The FIFA World Cup that's currently going on. Messi and Ronaldo play, so not going to chat now player. So that's the easy answer. Now, for everybody else, make a look into this. You see, we have momentum on our side. In my opinion, this is nothing to celebrate. This is actually the reason why they need to go even harder. Right. I could start off with the division them, right? That actually are the problem. And the division them, right? That's actually seen a massive reduction, especially compared to the usual standards. Number 1 on the list, Clarendon. As it stands right now, first month out of the year, Clarendon is the worst performing division in Ireland. Clarendon. Last year this time, same day, there were 3 murders in Clarendon. This year alone, there's 11. That's a 266.7% increase. Let's call that 267. Manchester, last year them time was 2 murders. This time it's 5. That's a 150% increase. Next up we have West Kingston. Last year them time 8 murders. This time it's 11. 37.5% increase. Now, West Kingston and Clarendon, right, are the 2 main ones in this for me. West Kingston, right, then they have a Zozo in place. Right, now, obviously the Zozo isn't perfect, right, but one of the main benefits the Zozo becoming is that it was harder for the man them pull off drive-by. Based on how West Kingston set up, the time the man them will carry out them attacks, right, the number 1 way them can get around, kill and get away fast is through drive-by. Last year in time you see the major reduction is because their ability to carry out drive-bys was reduced because of the Zozo, so them have to go up on foot. That make it much harder for them. Obviously them can still kill because they can walk through us and walk through us, but it's simply easier to drive-by quickly, shotgun in a lane, fire off, be a shot, right, and then cut. Now, based on what I'm seeing as in West Kingston and how the year start off, I'm expecting for years to, right, either the Zozo get put back or even more drastic measures get declared West Kingston. This is a place we go from zero to disastrous very quickly, and the numbers reflect that. Right. Last year, things did kind of quiet down, but I hope the authorities them don't sit back and say, well, only 11. Oh, you know that bad. Oh, I them listen to people till they say, well, and the like say I want that. It don't matter. When you see that rise, right, a 37.5% increase is enough to take action in West Kingston. So, now what you see what am I gonna do? With that, Clarendon looking real spooky. It's also the home of the Rankle gang. 266.7% increase. When I finally realized that Clarendon and West Kingston is the reason why Ireland don't have an even bigger drop than 37%. Clarendon and West Kingston, 2 main places them right now. Even though Manchester see a 150% increase, last year was 2, right, this year it's 5. Right, now West Kingston are gonna argue and say, yeah, but 8 not far from 11. But the thing with West Kingston is, just like we see over the weekend, 4 back to back. 11 murders can quickly turn into 100. Something like West Kingston. So, make we talk about the divisions that are actually seeing some great results so far. Kingston Central, 71% decrease in murders. From 7 last year them time here to 2 so far. St. Andrews Central, 87.5% decrease. 8 them time here last year, 1 so far. St. Andrews North, 66% decrease. St. Andrews South, 22% decrease. St. Catherine North, 58% decrease. Let me say that one more time. St. Catherine North, 58% decrease. Notice, me can almost tell you what going to happen with St. Catherine North. Me can almost tell you, say, numbers are going to go up, numbers are going to go down. That's because, just like most of the quote-unquote bad man plays them, it's a minority of 87s committing the majority of murders. So once me hear a certain man dip on the road, I know say St. Catherine North, numbers are go up. Once me hear a certain man get locked up or dead, then I know say St. Catherine North numbers are going to drop. This is why the other two legislation are so important. Mainly the Bail Act. Because them hold on 2-3 man and murders just drop. People think that there's like 500 youth a bus gun and kill people. People like you, who them lock up with you, when them have somebody like him, when them have a few members of the bed bugs, numbers just drop. Remember time one other man them have them problem. Remember time Mark and Boxer them did hot. Just a few 87s is enough to spike. The death and destruction in our division. When them get locked up, them dead, there's a drop. Them get Lego back on the road, there's a pick up. Even if you have a gang with 50 people, 100 people, in that gang, there's only like 7 to 10, right, active people who do most of the killing. Obviously, that's not a scientific number. I'm just giving an example based on the gangs I'm familiar with. You'd have a big gang, right? It look like a 50-60 man a night, right? You hear say them have whole heap of shooters night, but in actuality, there's only about 5, 7, 10 man who do all of the killing, right? And if you stop them Monday, right, then the gang's ability to cause chaos is greatly diminished. That is why when time you watch, most of my videos them are the same name them that year. When you watch a video and I talk about Klansman, are the same name them here and the same murder them go all the way back. The Tesha are both be them days. Right? Are the same man, the J-Bad, the Sci-Fi, right? the Mad Sauce, right? The Barber, right? The Crooks are the same name them. Anyway, St. Catherine North, 58% decrease. St. Catherine South, 45% decrease. You really wanna know? St. James, 70% decrease. 70% decrease. Last year them time at St. James already at 30 murders. Them don't even reach double digit yet. Hear the next one. Westmoreland, 50% decrease. Remember last year, St. James and Westmoreland lead. So the fact that these two divisions are seeing major reductions in murders, that is why Ironman can see a big 37% drop. Now imagine if we have Clarendon just kinda under control and West Kingston kinda under control, we'd see well over 50% decrease. This is why the government and security force need to act quickly. Clarendon, West Kingston have to step it up. This is nothing to celebrate. 2023 can be the year for Ironman turn on things. And when you say we don't even have all of the laws then yet. We don't even have updated Bail Act or the Prison Act. And we are starting to see results. 29 days in, 86 murders total. 29 days in, 86 murders total. Last year, 29 days in, we were 137 murders. 86 murders in a month. By Ironman standards, that's decent. It's not amazing. Obviously, it's 86 too high, but we have to be realistic. Right? There will always be murders, but we want murders to be at a level, right, where we say, right, that is befitting the country of Jamaica size. 1200, 1300, 1400 murders, That's chaos for Iron Man's size. But 86, that's 51 less murders. 51 less murders compared to the same 29 days last year. The momentum is there. The government, security forces, right, need to act even more, go even harder. Legislation with them there. 29 days in, look like they can't sleep again, or maybe them distracted by the whole SSL thing. You know, or them can't do two things at once. So hopefully this help the morale, right, or the boost them on the ground, right, JCF, JDF. So I'm say, even though we not hand out no awards and we not cut no cake and celebrate them, not pop no champagne, right, but we are check the data. And if it's terrible, we'll talk about it. Since an improvement, we'll talk about it, but we still want to see more. Mr. Leaders, Mr. Decision Makers, right, momentum they on the side. What not gonna do? Right. What not gonna do? Like we say no. St. Elizabeth looking excellent. Right. They're gonna talk about Portland already. You know, Portland's a whole different country at this point. Portland people them soon start actually visa to visit down there. Trelawney looking beautiful. Beautiful. As it should be. So, we can see what go on with West Kingston, Clarendon. Right. As I say, I think if we can get them to a place there under control, we can see an even greater reduction. Things not looking too bad. Anyway, Patreon Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, no life. Vulture Squad, see you circling. Bless.